Hi everyone, I realize everyone is interested on how to convert your old exam paper or test paper or worksheet into a SLS document. So I was thinking, why not I just do a simple recording on how I do it. Yeah, please also look at the one done by Sohaimi, which is very detailed. Yeah, so but for mine, I just do a very simple one just to see. Let's explore how to do it together. Okay, so first we have to go to this one, yeah, to download the file. Yep. In this case, there's an instruction, and this. Okay, let's try. How do I download this? Okay, there we go. It's a very simple walkthrough. So, I mean, this, pardon my English, pardon all these things, yeah. Okay, let me see. We are almost done. Okay, I'll save to my desktop. Okay. So what you need this for this is actually to be able to extract this file first. So I right click, if you have some zip, extract it to a folder. Okay, next. Yeah, this is done. Okay. Okay, next. Inside here, there'll be instructions, which I read through this, but in this case, I won't bore you with the details. Okay, there's something you need to do first. So, okay, go inside the build, go inside this. Yep, this is the file that you need to run. Before that, you will need to download the Chrome driver. Okay, for the Chrome driver, before you download the Chrome driver, one thing you need to note is that it must be of a particular version to your Chrome. Okay, not everyone of us use the latest Chrome, or no, somehow you just give a different version. I'm not sure why. Okay, to get the version of the Chrome, start your Chrome up. On the right side, click on Help, About Chrome. Okay, this is important, or else you'll get error later on. Okay, this is where you get your Chrome version. So my Chrome is currently 8081.10. Yeah, okay, so let's keep this at the side. Okay, now let's look for Chrome driver. Chrome driver. Oops, Chrome driver. Okay, as you scroll down, please make sure your version number matches this one. So in my case, yeah, 92 is behind. At least the first two digits must be the same. Oops, so I think this is the closest I can find. So it's either downloading the 81 or downloading the 80. So let's get this one. Okay, mine is Windows 32. Let me save it into where I want it. Yeah, inside the folder. Okay, next. Once it's in, let me see what is inside. There I have it. Okay, this is the previous one that I have. Let me delete that. Okay, so let me extract this out. Extract all. Then I want to put it here. So yep, there I have it. Chrome driver is here. So double click. It should run perfectly. Yeah. Okay, let's close it. So okay, so after I've done that, next go to the build. Go in. Yep. Then we are ready to run the software. Let's see what is it. Face the question or answer HTML. Okay, in the instructions, what you need to do is you need to provide with a sample exam paper. So let me get to my exam paper. Okay, hold on. Yes, and after digging through, I finally found my exam paper. Okay, okay, it's the old CPA paper. So what happened is, many of us have a lot of papers lying around. Yeah, I took away my school, so probably, you can't see it. Okay, so first of all, let's take away the front page. Yeah, let's leave it with only, in this case, I just want to do a simple example. So I take away my header, just leave it the MCQ. Section B, there's some other things. Let's take it away. Yep. Okay, I just want to try these 7 questions for now. So just close, save. Okay, let's rename it to something easy. CPA in my case. Okay, this file, let's put it into the folder which just now we created. Go to the build this. Yeah, let me put it together with all this. Yeah, this is the file. Okay, let me just paste it here. Okay, before you can actually convert, you must actually convert to a you must no, save it as a HTML file. So what to do? I open this file, save as this computer. Yep. Okay. This folder. Yep. Okay. So under the format, change it to where is it? Web page. Okay. Change it to web page.html. Press save. There we have it. Okay. Close it. And you will see a few files, which is this one and this one. This is where all the images are hidden. This is actually the HTML file. If you double click it, actually you will be able to see how it look like. Yeah, it's basically almost the same thing. Okay, so what we need to do now is actually to key in to actually key in to face the question or HTML file. Okay, let's choose option number 1. Enter. Okay, oh, I want to do MCQ, so I press 1. Let's go. Please enter the directory, the absolute path to the file to be faced. Okay, so in this case, yeah, just click on here, the top part of the window screen. Control C, copy, click back here. How do you paste it? Right click on your mouse, right click. Okay, you get it. Okay, then dash. I need the file name. So my file name is easy. So it's cpa.htm. So I just write cpa.htm. Okay, next, please enter the directory to the image folder. So in this case, it's actually this one. So once again, right click, dash or slash cpa underscore files. Okay, then press enter. Number, the number of options for MCQ question, that would actually be, yeah, A, B, C, D. So 4 options. Okay, so let's get back there. That's 4. It's done. Wow. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's actually right here. It's actually converted into a JSON format. Okay, so what happened is now we can actually input it into SLS. Okay, let's hopefully if you have reached this step by now with no error. Yeah, okay, let's start. Maybe I should. Okay, input question in the SLS, the moment of truth. Oh, do you have questions with answer? No, this is a simple one. The directory of the Chrome driver, in this case actually I put it on the same place, so let me get this. Control C, right click, you get this one. Okay, next I must key in Chrome, oops, driver dot, let's try. Oh yes, it's starting up. Please enter your username. Oh yep, okay, now I'm in SLS. Okay, let me go back, okay, to the SM paper to SLS. Okay, no, next, after your login, press enter after your login. So enter. Whoa, what's happening? Let's take a look. Okay. Yes. My exam paper, okay, my test paper is done. So whichever is actually inside your worksheet or your previous worksheet is now on. Please take note that you need to follow a certain format, a certain table format for this to happen. Yeah. So, yep. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Yeah. Yeah, I believe I didn't in this exam paper I didn't follow the exact format. Actually you should put the marks in your question, and actually you enter the marks for you. So in this case I just randomly took exam paper, and this is what we have. Yes. So maybe speed this up a little. Okay, there we have it. It's done. Wow. Okay, after going for some coffee, coming back, it's done for me. So let's take a look. How does the paper look like? Wow. Now my students can just try the questions. Okay, if you notice, I have an extra this marks here. Actually, I no, there's a in the instructions you're supposed to put this in the question, and they'll actually fill up the marks for you. But no, this I'm fine with this. But yeah, you also can indicate what is right and wrong on Microsoft Word before you upload here, so that they actually will help you to check the which one is correct, which one is wrong for you. Yeah. So I hope this helps. Yeah, that's all for today.